Testing, testing, testing. Hello there, I'm Ashley L, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my upcycle crochet denim skirts. It's just a fun, brief overview of how I like to make them. And this is primarily the method that I like to use when I upcycle. And this is the one I'll be showing you how to create. It's super twirly and super fun and very easy to make once you figure out the process. And this is just one of the ways that I love to create them. And you could use any kind of denim skirt, denim pants, anything from your closet. Or if you go thrifting, you can find a really cheap pair of pants and just cut them up and get started. I really love upcycling, especially mixing crochet with it, as you can see. So I can't wait to share these ideas with you and hopefully learn a few things along the way as well. Now let's grab our materials. For this project, I'm using a pair of denim shorts, tape measure, sewing needle and thread, scissors, my yarn of choice, a crochet hook, and stitch markers. Now I'm going to cut the denim shorts, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut right underneath the zipper for the front, and in the back I'm going to cut right below the pockets because I want to keep the pockets. So if this method of cutting, it's going to give the skirt a high-low kind of look, which is totally fine because I love that look. And this is how the skirt looks now that it's cut. Now we're going to grab the measuring tape and we're going to measure around the entire bottom length of the skirt. Measuring the width of the skirt, we're going to record those measurements and then we're going to crochet to that amount. Now I'm going to grab my yarn and my hook. I'm using a light 3 yarn and a G7 4.5 crochet hook. So the measurements were 37 inches for the width. Now I'm going to crochet to that amount. Once I chain to that amount, for row 1 I'm going to create all single crochets, and then for row 2 I'm going to do a 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and 1 double crochet into the following stitch. I'll repeat that for 5 stitches. For the 6th stitch you're going to double crochet 2 times into the same stitch to create an increase. So for every 6th stitch, you'll create 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet all into the same stitch to create an increase. Now we're going to attach just those 2 rows to the edge exterior of the denim skirt. I'm using my sewing needle and thread to attach it, but you can also use really strong fabric adhesive as well. I thread my needle and I go through the back of the skirt, through the denim skirt, and then go through the stitch of the first row of single crochets of the crochet rows. Now you'll continue this process all across until the skirt is complete. Once the skirt is completely attached, now we're going to start crocheting. So you're going to rejoin your hook into the back of the skirt. And with this design, I just continued the row 2 method. This time I worked into the skip stitches of row 2 and then into that double crochet. I continued that same method in order to create the increase. Now this is what the round 3 looks like. From here on out, you'll be working in rounds, creating the increase in length of your skirt so you can create it as long as you want it. Also for this design, I start to double up in the double crochet stitches in order to create even more flare and twirl to the skirt. Stay tuned for more crochet and fun upcycles that are coming along the way, and I hope you have a lovely day.